Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here, coming at you with another video. If you're watching this video, you're probably wondering about this program called Internet Traffic Academy, and you're probably trying to make money online somehow. You're probably at home wondering how you can make money from your computer, from the comfort of your own home. I'm going to go over my review of this program. I'm going to go over, is it worth the money? How much money is it? And if there is a better alternative here for you versus going with this program. So firstly, this program is not just used by individuals, it's used by companies as well as internet marketing companies. And it doesn't only show you how to get traffic, it actually does show you quite a couple other things. It will show you how to get traffic, how to use influencers, how to convert. It will show you more than just traffic, even though that is the main course, okay? And overall, it has a lot to it. There are a lot of programs. Each program I found has about like 5 sub-programs in it. So you'll go over to one program, there'll be 5 little lessons for you. Go over to another one, another 5 little lessons. And it basically tries to tell you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing and internet marketing and how to just drive traffic. It really is more than just driving traffic. It's really a broad program, just focusing, if I had to put one term on it, digital marketing or internet marketing. Now, I do have a big problem with the course, and that is right here. Let me just hit the back button. The price. $997, okay? Now, you're probably thinking that is insane, and I agree with you. I don't think this course is worth that much money. I think that is way overblown, and I think there is a better option for you. So I have a program linked in the description, okay? It'll be linked right down below for you. Much more affordable than this, that will show you everything this program does and more. The program I have linked down below, it's the Ultimate Affiliate Marketing course. It'll take you from 0 to 100 on affiliate marketing, how to drive traffic, how to convert sales, how to build a list, everything you need to know in that link in the description, because I don't think you guys want to pay $997 for this program. Normally it says it's $12,000, which I think is just marketing. Of course, as a marketer, I look at that, hey, they're doing some marketing, but even the discounted rate of $997 is insane. If you want to learn how to build an online business, if you want to learn how to make money from home, quit your 9-to-5, you want to actually build a real, sustainable online business, guys, you got to check out the link in the description. It costs a fraction of this price. It'll show you everything this shows you and then some. It has a lot of extra things in there, has testimonials, has everything you need to become a successful internet entrepreneur. Now, if you do want to get that, again, link down below. Overall, this program, I would give it a 3 out of 5 stars. It's a very robust program. I'm talking about the internet traffic course, right? This is a very robust program, but I could only give it 3 out of 5 stars because of this price tag. Not worth $997. I'm sorry. I don't believe in spending more than a couple $100 on a program. I'm sorry. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it. Check out the link down below if you're ready to start building an online business. I will catch you in the next one, and as always, have a great day.